Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a round corner shape in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. See this, use right click on your mouse, rounded rectangle tool, shape radius 15 or 17 pixels, press enter, then draw, use rounded. Again right click again on your mouse, polygon tool, use sides 3, click on the gear icon, smooth corner, stars, smooth indent only 1%, press enter. Again use 5 corner, press enter. Again click on the shape layer with stroke, without fill. That's it.